All right, I'll be planting a couple things today. I bought these onions right here on clearance. They don't look like they're in that great a shape, but I think they'll be okay because, as I always say, onions are pretty tough. I'm going to put them in this bed right here. I've cleared some of the soil away, made a little trench. I'm going to put some fertilizer in the trench and then plant the onions, and I'll just kind of show you what I'm doing here. All right, I got this organic fertilizer. I put it in the trench here. I'm just going to mix it in a little bit like so. Same with this trench. Then I'm going to plant the onions and kind of show you what it looks like. There's the onions. They're planted there. Planted there. I did knock all that dirt off there because it seemed like it was kind of heavy and wet, and I didn't want that in the hole. This soil's pretty loose, so these should grow pretty well. Now I'm just going to backfill over it, and then I will water them in later. All right, there they are planted. So hopefully they grow pretty well. If they don't, not a big loss. But like I said, they're onions. They're pretty tough, so I think they'll rebound and grow pretty well. Additionally, I'm going to be planting this Malabar spinach right here. My cucumber plant is dying off, so I'm going to just let it trellis up this thing. And my cucumber plants pretty much always die off this time of year. So I'm going to separate these and then plant them in these holes, and I'll just show you what that looks like. All right, there they are all separated. There's 3 of them, separated pretty easily. And I'm just going to go plant them in these holes right here, and then I'll put some of this organic fertilizer in the hole with them. All right, there they are planted. 1, 2, and then 3 on the other side of the fence there. And I will give you updates as these plants grow. If you like gardening and plant content, do me a favor and click that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, everyone.